In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Google Chrome finally has vertical tabs, how to enable if you've been waiting for a cleaner way to manage lots of open tabs in Google Chrome. This is a feature you'll probably enjoy. Chrome now supports vertical tabs natively, which means you no longer need an extension or workaround to get a sidebar style tab layout. This can make browsing feel much more organized, especially if you tend to keep many tabs open at once and want to see more of each tab's title instead of just tiny tab icons across the top. The fastest way to turn this on is directly from the tab bar. Open Google Chrome, then move your cursor to the top of the window where your tabs normally appear. Find an empty space in that top tab bar, right-click, and look for the option that says Show Tabs Vertically. Click it, and Chrome will switch your tabs from the traditional horizontal row at the top into a vertical layout along the side of the browser. Once it's enabled, you should immediately notice that your tabs are easier to scan. This layout is especially helpful on wider screens because it uses side space more efficiently and gives each tab more room for its title. If you often work with research, documents, videos, or multiple websites at the same time, vertical tabs can make navigation feel much less cramped. There's also a second way to enable the same feature through Chrome settings. If you prefer using menus, or if you want to confirm where the setting lives, click into Settings, then go to Appearance. In that section, find Tab Strip Position and change it to Side. That tells Chrome to place the tab strip vertically instead of keeping it across the top. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever one feels more convenient. The right-click option is the quickest, while the settings path is useful if you want to remember where to manage the feature later. If you decide vertical tabs aren't for you, you can simply go back to the same area and switch the tab strip position back to the standard top layout, so it's easy to test without committing to a permanent change. That's all it takes to enable vertical tabs in Google Chrome. It's a simple built-in feature, but it can make a surprisingly big difference in how tidy and manageable your browser feels, especially during busy work sessions.